If you are being sued by Bankers Healthcare Group LLC or Fund X LLC, you're going to want to watch this video. If you are being sued by Bankers Healthcare Group LLC and Fund X LLC, allegedly this company or these two companies have been making personal loans and disguising them as business loans. Not to say that they're doing that for everyone, and I'm not alleging it myself, but some of the documents that we have reviewed and some of the clients that we've spoken to, they have stated that, and they've said that in their own words. There are also class action lawsuit in the state of New York with those allegations. So if you're being sued by Bankers Healthcare Group LLC or Fund X LLC, or both combined in a lawsuit against you, I want you to go to my website, thecreditrepairshop.com, and I want you to leave your information in the live chat, and we will follow up with you. We've helped our clients successfully either settle out of court or outright win their case against Bankers Healthcare Group LLC and Fund X LLC. These cases were upwards of $40,000 to $50,000 and $100,000. So if you're being sued by Bankers Healthcare Group LLC or Fund X LLC, and you want to have your case looked at, just to give you some options from a company who has really helped individuals like yourself deal with these lawsuits, from Bankers Healthcare Group LLC and Fund X LLC. Now, if you're being sued by any other company like LVMB Funding, Jefferson Capital, Resurgent, Zwicker, Roush, Hornick, any of those debt collection law firms or straight debt collectors suing you, go to my website, thecreditrepairshop.com, in the live chat, leave your information right there. If you have it available, upload a copy of your court summons or complaint, or and we'll follow back up with you to let you know your options and how we can help. This video is not offering legal services, it's not offering accounting services. We are not attorneys. We have helped individuals with the information that we provide win against debt collection lawsuits, win against Bankers Healthcare Group LLC and Fund X LLC. Thank you for your time. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and Founder of thecreditrepairshop.com. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, What Makes Us Different, so you can see my 8-point validation process, my 2-phase settlement process. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your3scores.com to grab your TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian credit reports and all 3 scores. If you have debt collectors coming after you early in the game, grab my 3-pack of letters. They're absolutely free. I do ask for a donation with them. It can save you time, money, and frustration. My statute of limitations letter to stop debt collectors who are trying to come after you for debt that is past the legal statute of limitations to collect according to the laws in your state. Cease and desist collection activities letter and debt validation letter. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe to my channel. Post your questions and comments. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and Founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.